Okay, so this particular question, we've got 8/10 multiplied by 3. And we want to start with an estimation. And you can round the 8/10 up to 1 and just go 1 times 3 is 3. Some people like to represent the estimation as a range of possible answers. And so we could start with 0 multiplied by 3 is 0. And 1 times 3 is 3. And so the range should be between 0 and 3. Also a perfect estimation. And then what we want to do is we want to represent 8/10 multiplied by 3. And we can look at that as 3 groups of 8/10. And so we've got a group here, 8/10, a second group, and a third group. And then you could simply add all of those up. 8/10 plus 8/10 plus 8/10. And we can say 8, 16, and 24/10, which is the same as 2 and 4/10. And if you wanted to, you could even substitute out 10 of them for a 1, and 10 more for another 1. And then you would actually visually see the 1, 2, and 4/10 as an answer. The other way is actually to go ahead and arrange the blocks into an array or a rectangle. And so we would have 2 dimensions. So we have 8/10 by 3. And so on one side of the rectangle, we would arrange the blocks so that we have 8/10 here. And then we would just continue to add on to those 8/10 until we get a rectangle. And so as you can see here, we've got an array or a rectangle of 3 groups of 8/10, and the answer is the sum of all 3 of these. And that is, again, 2 and 4/10.